We have breaking news to tell you about out of Virginia, where a federal grand jury has indicted New York Attorney General Letitia James. 3 sources familiar with the matter confirmed to NBC News. James was charged with 1 count of bank fraud after President Trump publicly called for his Justice Department appointees to bring charges against her. As NBC News reported in August, Attorney General Pam Bondi appointed a special attorney to probe mortgage fraud allegations against the New York Attorney General, who brought a successful civil fraud case against President Donald Trump before he retook the presidency. Talk about the significance of this and what more do we know?
Well, of course, this is set against the backdrop of the president having identified Letitia James, a Democratic statewide attorney general for New York, as one of his perceived political enemies. She, of course, in her political career, brought charges against the president and also talked openly in her campaign about wanting to challenge President Trump from a legal point of view. The president's allies have considered that weaponization of the system, and today there is another way of looking at that, as certainly those who are concerned about how this president is involved with the Department of Justice could ask questions about this. It stems from the Federal Housing Authority's work looking at mortgage records, and her records were identified as being potential evidence in this case. We don't yet know if this was the specific evidence brought forward before a grand jury. We've reached out to the Attorney General of New York's office and her counsel, and we await hearing a response from them. But this is a significant event in the context of the president has identified people he wants the Department of Justice to go after, and now we are seeing in a separate mechanism that is happening.